Dear students, in today's lecture, we will be discussing about what is the difference between international business and domestic business. In the previous lecture, we have already covered the meaning of international business, what are the various factors causing international business. Now, in this lecture, the difference. See, as we all know, international business is the business which takes place between more than one country is international business, or the business which takes place across the border of nation is called international business. But when we talk about the domestic business is basically the business which takes place within the territory of the nation, uh, within the boundaries of our own country. It may take place between the different states, but not with the different countries. So here is the difference between international business and domestic business. We have categorized these difference on various bases. Like if we talk about the um, international business, it is basically the extension of the domestic business, and marketing business plan may alter. Like the international business is the extended form of the domestic business. First, the company or that company who wish to go for international trade need to strengthen his trade within the boundaries of the nation. So the international trade is basically the extension of the domestic trade. Now, as we all know, domestic trade or domestic business follows the marketing principles. Whatever the market principles we are having, they follow on that. Now, on the second difference is that, like when we talk about the various differences, see, there are a lot of difference between the customs, cultural factors. Like if we talk about the environment, basically, so there are a lot of differences. We have culture difference, we have custom difference, we have there are some other values set, ethics, norms, even the government rules are different. So these are the basic difference for internet. But when we talk about the domestic business, there may not such type of differences. There may be some differences, some linguistic barriers are there, some linguistic differences may take place. As we if we talk about India, India is basically a large country and having a wide language speaking states. So the this difference that in international business, when the companies move, they need to face various differences in the form of the customer base. Like the customer may have different customs, may have different culture, may have different traditions. Like if you talk about McDonald's, like McDonald's when entered into Indian market, then they earlier they used to have that beef burger. But as we Indian don't think it like in our culture that use of beef is good. So that in that way, that McDonald stopped serving, and they some have them some changes in their way of making the burgers and all. So these are the basic changes we have. But in when we talk about domestic, then they used to have all these things. Then another difference is that international business, it is quite wide. The scope of international business is wide, as it is not restricted to the territories, not restricted to the own states. It is worldwide spread. And when we talk about domestic business or domestic trade, it pertains to limited to the territory, limited to. Now when we talk about SP, see that if the selling procure changes, the selling procedure changes are different. Now, the as we all in the later video series of this subject, international business management, I will be discussing what are the various modes of entering into international business. So the selling procedure is also changed. Some may go for um, owning the franchises, or some may have their own contract manufacturing. So different things, different selling procedures are different. But when we talk about the domestic business, the selling procedure remains unaltered, unchanged. Now, when we talk about the working environment related to international business, the management practices change to suits to the local conditions. Like the organization, as per the government rules, as per the government regulations, procedures, the working practices get changed. But here in domestic business, there is no such change are necessary. Then the next one is, will if we talk about international business, then the firm or the company has to face various restrictions in trade practices like licensing, government uh, that government license, and other government rules related to subsidies, tax, tariffs, anything. But there is little or no impact on domestic trade related to the government, such type of restrictions, because the government sometimes use that protective trade policies. So the domestic players have little impact on their trade practices. So these are the few differences between the international business and domestic business. Hope the points are clear now. In the next video lecture, we will be discussing about the various modes of entering into international business.